Hi, I'm Howard Morgan, a partner at First Round Capital. I'm a lapsed academic. I was a professor at the Wharton School for about 15 years and went into venture capital in the 80s. I've been doing it for quite a long time. I split my time between First Round and Idea Lab, which I helped Bill Gross found back in '96. At First Round, we like to say we invest at two stages, too early and way too early. And that takes some patience, but we look for good ideas. They can be a little bit mature, but we're typically the first money in. Our pattern is to invest enough in capital-efficient businesses, typically $500,000 plus or minus $250,000, enough to get the company going for 5, 6, 7, 8 months, enough to prove or disprove the hypothesis that the entrepreneur has that there's a business here, or to take enough risk out of it that it's fairly easy to raise a Series A round. Our round is typically called Series Seed, so we're really seed stage investors. We think of ourselves as baby nurses, not babysitters. That is, we spend a lot of time with companies in that first 6 months, and then we turn it over to a lot of our friends here and elsewhere that spend the appropriate time as classic venture capital does, sort of babysitting companies and working with them, and we stay involved. We provide a network. We now have 65 investments at First Round in the last 4.5 years, so we network all of our CEOs and CTOs and so on, and provide a lot of information sharing where the CEOs help one another with problems, so we don't have to solve all the problems. They may have been solved by one of your colleagues already. And we're based in the Philadelphia suburbs, West Conshohocken, but with offices in San Francisco, here in New York, and pretty much no bias about location. We have deals from Boston through Washington, Austin, Texas, San Diego through Seattle. We just issued a term sheet in Pittsburgh this week. So we're kind of like the internet packet switching. The packets get routed strange ways. And if you look at my partner, Josh Koppelman, who founded the company with me, who had done half.com before that, very successfully, we typically are making 40 trips, 50 trips a year to California between us, and I'm based here mostly in New York, and we have some ventures here in New York, and we love those. We also have ventures in Philadelphia and everywhere else.